In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Carrd.co. If you're looking to personalize your Carrd website and make it easy for visitors to find you on social media, adding these icons is a quick and straightforward way to achieve just that. Now let's dive right in and guide you through each step to seamlessly incorporate social media icons into your site. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the editing interface for your Carrd website. Once you're there, look for the plus sign. This is your gateway to a variety of elements you can add. When you click on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see the option labeled Icons. Go ahead and select this as it allows you to add an icon element specifically designed for social media links. Now that the icons element is added to your page, your next task is to personalize it. Look for the icon drop down. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this will present a range of options that you can choose from. But before we jump to selecting the icon, there's an important drop down you need to be aware of, the type drop down. By clicking on the type drop down, you're able to specify exactly what kind of icon you need. Simply type the name of the social media platform you're linking to, like Facebook, Instagram, or X. If you're wondering what X is, it's just another common term for Twitter. Once you've typed in the name, a list of icons related to that platform will appear. Now it's your turn to choose. Find the icon that best represents the platform you're linking to and select it. Next, we need to add the all-important link. There's a URL field, and here's where you'll input your social media profile URL. For instance, if you're linking to Instagram, you will type something like https:/instagram.com/your username. This ensures that visitors who click on the icon are taken directly to your profile. When it comes to aesthetics, don't worry. Carrd makes it easy to adjust the icon's size, spacing, and color. You can tweak these settings to blend in seamlessly with your website's overall design. This is your chance to ensure that not only is your website functional, but also visually appealing. Once you're all happy with how everything looks, it's time to finalize your changes. Click on Done to save your adjustments. Finally, publish your site by hitting Publish. Your social media icons are now live and ready for visitors to start clicking through to your profiles. And there you have it, it's as simple as that. With these quick steps, you've successfully added social media icons to your Carrd site, making it that much easier for your audience to connect with you online. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.